With just one single prompt, you can create this type of cool looking technical isometric 3D isometric infographics using Nano Banana 2 with the latest updates in Gemini. So let me show you how you can also do this. So to create those isometric infographics, just paste this prompt here and select create image, and also make sure to select the pro option. And after that, in the prompt here, you just need to type the object name here, which object you're going to create of the infographic. Now, just for example, I'm going to create a mixed reality VR and AR headset infographics, and just click submit. And just after a couple of seconds, you will get a cool looking infographics. Now, as you can see, our infographics has been completed. Now look at this, how cool it is. All the information here is accurate because Nano Banana 2 has the world-based knowledge to get the accurate information from the internet. Now with this prompt, you don't have to always create real-life object. You can also create any type of object that you want. Like this is a omnidirectional mobility ODM gear, which is from Attack on Titan. Only anime fans will know what is this. And here is another one, a meme like birds are real, the pigeons are all surveillance drones, and this is another infographic just to have fun with it. So that's it guys, this is the video that I want to share with you. I'll give the prompt in my description box. You can just copy and have fun with it. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.